In 2025, a screaming YouTuber named iShowSpeed entered China and unknowingly became part of a strategy far bigger than himself. Not a conspiracy, not a scandal, but a masterclass in digital influence. Power no longer needs weapons, it just needs your attention. Because in this new empire of influence, the algorithm is mightier than missile. Speed's trip to China racked up over 90 million views. It looks spontaneous, fun, unfiltered. But here's the move you didn't see. In a country where Google, YouTube, and Twitch are banned, one of America's most viral streamers was given the green light to broadcast. That's not chaos. That's chess. While the US debates TikTok ban, led by politicians who can barely operate the phone, China is making content feel like diplomacy, and influence feel like authenticity. That's not propaganda. That's precision. America still flexes through tariffs, weapons, and sanctions. But China flexes by letting your favorite streamer say, "Yo, this robot is crazy." China's soft power isn't loud, it's subtle. It makes young people want to see China as exciting, advanced, and peaceful. Not by force, but by feed. Because in 2025, the real battlefield is your attention is the resource, and speed is the delivery system. By 2035, over 300 million Chinese youth will be leading the workforce. Raised on filtered feeds, phone games, and a curated digital reality. China knows the West still sells power through institutions. But Gen Z doesn't trust institutions. They trust influencers. So while NATO spends billions on tanks, China is building its image through gaming servers, anime expos, and YouTubers. This isn't weakness. It's long-term play. It's attention strategy at scale. And it's working. This isn't about China being evil, it's about China being smart and the US being distracted. While Washington debates Section 230, China masters TikTok psychology. While we vote, they prototype. While we react, they anticipate. The empire of the future isn't about flags. It's about influence. And right now, they are several moves ahead. The revolution won't be televised. It will be streamed. And you'll probably watch it. With a smile.